I state your name. Having successfully passed the licensure examination for, and then mention your profession, is now officially a member of the Psychological Association of the Philippines. I do solemnly swear to uphold the principles of psychology as a science in its professional practice, be it in the Philippines or any other place that may require my participation. I promise to follow the new bylaws of the Psychological Association of the Philippines. To abide by the rules and regulations that govern our association. To believe in and adopt its vision. To actively work to accomplish its mission. To adhere to the Code of Ethics for Philippine Psychologists. And in general, to uphold all that the organization stands for. I promise to do my duties as a member and to advance the goals and purpose that the PAP stands for. So help me God. Congratulations to our newest PAP members, and see you all in our next PAP.